Welcome to the largest garlic processing plant on Earth, where every bulb is the size of a car.
A little slower on the turn. We've got room for another ton here. Back it up slow, watch your left side, hold it there. Okay, bring the forklift in.
These colossal machines can process thousands of garlic bulbs every minute, a marvel of modern automation and efficiency.
The AI flagged this batch as borderline moisture content. Rerun the GCMS analysis on sample 7.
This batch looks good, very consistent moisture. Agreed. The sensors are reading steady at 2 millimeters.
Dehydration tunnels operate at full capacity, circulating warm air over thousands of trays as technicians monitor the precise conditions digitally.
Look at the readout here, it seems low. No, that's within the acceptable variance for this batch.
The chromatography results confirm the purity level is excellent, and the moisture content is right on target. We can release the batch. The particle size uniformity on this batch is exceptional. Confirmed. The flow rate is perfectly stable within the parameters.
For this truck?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just finished securing it.
This is the front line of global distribution. From this factory, the convoy ensures the supply chain never